Hi everyone, Liam here. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a move called the Enigma. Now this is one of the most popular moves in contact juggling. Fairly easy to learn compared to the other moves. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, a lot of different variations. It's a great place to start. It's a really good isolation. You can dance with it. It's fairly safe as far as, you're not going to throw the ball into the window or anything. So yeah, good one to start out with, and very importantly, it's a big crowd pleaser. So relative to how difficult it is, it always gets quite a reaction. At first it's going to be a bit like, patting your tummy and tapping your head at the same time, but eventually you'll get it. So what you want to do, we're going to hold the ball like this, okay? Index finger and thumb, both hands on the ball, and we're going to the thumb and the opposing finger, okay? All right, so just get the feel of that. Holding the ball, make sure you're not gonna drop it. You've got a good, comfortable grip. Okay, then we're gonna put the finger and thumb back on. Okay, so back on like that, and then lift the opposing index finger and thumb. Okay, so we're just going to practice just doing that over and over until it's comfortable. Okay, once that's feeling good and comfortable, now comes the fun part. So we're going to, instead of being like this, we're going to be up here. Okay, so grabbing the ball between the index finger and thumb. This time we're going to lift the bottom index finger, top thumb. Okay, so now we're holding the ball like this, and we are going to roll that ball down. So we're isolating it. Remember the isolation, so the ball is stationary in space. It can also help to visualize the ball just being fixed in space. And we're just going to roll. Okay, just practice that. So once we get there, we're going to swap. We're going to do that swap that we did before. And now we have the index finger at the top, thumb at the bottom, and we're just going to roll it again. And swap, and roll. Swap, and roll. Swap, and roll. Okay, just do it very slowly. Always want to start off very slow with anything you do. However fast you feel you're going, you're always going a lot faster. So just always try and slow it down. Okay, and so once you feel comfortable with this one, that's when you can start to use the roll to move it around in space. We can also do it side on. So we're just doing the same move there. Just the finger and thumb interchanging, roll, swap, roll, swap. Okay, now that's one way to do it. Some people like to roll the ball along their hand like this. You can also use your middle finger. So let's try that one. So middle finger and thumb. This is good for a side-on shot. So we're going to roll to the opposite middle finger and thumb. And like this way. You can move it around. You can also do this one front on. So if you're looking from above, I'm just doing the same move. Roll, swap, roll, swap. Like that. Okay. Now, that's your Enigma. But the Enigma has a lot of different ways you can do it, a lot of different variations. So you can keep your fingers closed together. Do these ones that we just practiced. You can open your fingers up. And accentuate those fingers. We can roll like that. Do the finger and thumb, roll. Finger and thumb, roll. So here's a drill we can do for that one. So we'll do finger, thumb up twice, roll to the side, finger and thumb, roll, finger and thumb, and we're just going to picture a box and try and just keep the ball in this box while we do our 2 finger and thumbs and a roll to the side. Okay, that's just one of many different ways you can do it. I'm just trying to give you different ideas and things you can play around with. Instead of like this, we can turn one hand that way. So 1 thumb in, 1 thumb out, and do the same finger and thumb roll. Do it on your palm like this. So yeah, as I say, there's many ways you can do it. Have a play around with it. It's a really fun move and a great place to start out, and a good way to start thinking about how to isolate the ball and then how to move the ball while you're isolating it. All right, so that's the Enigma. Play around with it and have fun, and I'll see you at the next lesson.